The mysterious singing sands of Qatar. Deep in the vast deserts of Qatar, there is a natural phenomenon that might surprise you: the singing sands. When the wind blows over certain sand dunes, the grains create a soft musical sound. Scientists believe that this sound is caused by the friction between the sand particles. However, the exact reason why only some sand dunes produce music is still not completely understood. Why is it so interesting? It is a natural concert. Imagine walking in the quiet desert and you hear a gentle, rhythmic melody coming from the sand. It is a rare, almost magical experience. They also offer cultural stories. For many locals, those tunes are very special. They offer different stories that passed from one generation to the other. It is a scientific puzzle. Those sand dunes remind us that nature still holds many mysteries. They show how even something as simple as sand can create a very magical beauty. And that's it for today's news. I hope that you managed to catch up with my English. See you in another video.